Today we are doing a short cardio workout to get your heart rate up at home. Here we go. Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm a physical therapist, movement educator, and women's health specialist. And we are doing a great workout today to help support your body and give you strength and get that heart rate up at home. For my full-length workouts and other resources to help you stay strong as you age, you can check out my unlimited community, and the link to sign up is below. So let's start walking in place. All you need is a little bit of space for this great workout. It can be used as a warm-up, it can be used on its own, or even as a cool down. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our heart rate up. We need that cardiovascular activity to help us stay healthy and strong, keep our hearts healthy as we age especially. So this is gonna be an all levels workout, meaning I will give you variations and you are gonna meet your body wherever you are today, whatever feels best for you. If you need a kitchen counter or a chair close, I want you to have it. If you need to stay with certain movements, do it. If you need to take a break, I support it, and then just jump right back in. All right, let's keep going, and I want you to get your knees a little bit higher with that big arm swing. All right, so not only do we want to get your heart rate up, but we want to find some other benefits too. I want to move your body, find some mobility in your hips and in your spine. Work on maybe our balance a little bit here. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Bring it back down. What we're gonna do now is find our feet hip distance apart. Right knee is gonna come up, tap back, up, back. So again, you can hold on to something here if you need it. If it feels okay to you, I want you to go just a little faster. If you can now, add the arms. So I reach and pull, reach and pull. So lots of options. Remember, you are meeting your body where you are today, on your mat today. You're not comparing yourself to anyone else, but just what works right for you today. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it out, regroup. We're gonna find the other side. So remember, options are to hold on. Maybe you just do kind of a little tap behind you. Maybe you can start to go faster. And then maybe you add the arms. So I think workouts like this are really important for basic things, like maybe it's too cold or snowy or icy or too hot for you to go outside and go for a walk. Maybe traditional cardio classes feel too much. Maybe 10 minutes is all you have and you just want to get that energy up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk in place again. Nice job. Turn to the side. We want to get some side movement. This is another benefit of this kind of class versus just a walk, is getting different planes of motion. Walk to the right, walk to the left. And you know me, if you follow me here on Instagram or over on Unlimited, you know I love to walk. Walking is one of the best things you can do for yourself and your health mentally and physically. Also, it can't be the only thing you do. That's why we add these other types of workouts in. Now, if you want to make it harder, little hop, hop. Your choice. You can even make it a little more intense by going lower. Nice job, keep going. And we've got 5, 4, and 3, 2, 1. Nice job, stand up, walk it out. Big breath in, maybe your arms come too. Inhale and exhale. Okay, your options here are to continue walking in place if the next one doesn't work for you. But let's all try it together. Bring your feet shoulder distance apart, slightly turned out. You're gonna inhale down, exhale up to find a little squat. You've heard me say it before, squatting is essential to so many functional movements we do. So if you have a narrative in your head that you just can't do squats for any reason, I just want you to try. And that doesn't mean all the way down. It means holding onto a chair, just doing little bends, maybe trying to get in and out of a chair. Now, you can stay here or add a jump, okay? And notice, I don't know if you can tell, my jumps are teeny tiny. This is more of a hop. I don't get up very high, but this power that we're working, really important as we age. We call it plyometrics, speed and power. 4, 3, 2, 1, nice job. Walk it out. And then I just want you to find yourself where I am. Walking forward, walking backward, tap. You can use your whole room. You can use just your mat. Okay. So we've caught our breath a little bit because we're doing one more set. So come back. Now you know what's coming. I don't know if that's better or worse, but you do know what's coming. Have your feet shoulder distance apart. Back and down. So maybe you're walking forward and backward. Maybe you're just doing squats. Maybe you're gonna add the hop with me. Nice, 5 more wherever you are. 4, 3, 2, 1, nice job. Walk it out. I want you to promise me something. Don't ever turn me off or leave just because you think one move is too hard. Because guess what? You get to skip it if you want. You can pause me and get some water. You can choose a variation that works for you. But if you can, as long as you feel encouraged and supported, stay there, be curious, see what you can do. Okay, now, feet are wide and turned out. What I want you to do is you're gonna bend the right knee like you're gonna kick yourself in the booty. Back, left. See that? So from the side, it looks like this. It's like a little bit of a step to the side as I kick myself, right? And keep going. And you can make those steps wider, again, for a little more challenge. It's gonna challenge your balance a little bit more. Now, just for fun, let's add something to it if you want. A little punch, punch. So when I kick with my right, I'm punching with my right, but I twist the opposite way, okay? So you twist your body, punch, punch, punch. I tell you, these kind of cardio kickboxing moves, they might seem intimidating, but they are fun. They're fun. Kick and punch, you got it. Find your strength, and they work. That heart rate is up. You can even mute me and put on your favorite music and just go for it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Walk it out. All right, let's go back to our sides. So side walking or a little side hop. An option here is you almost have like that booty kick again, right? Do you see that? How I am balancing. So I'm making myself balance when I get over there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it out. Get those knees high again. Big arm swings. Nice. And let's all start to bring it back to center. I'm sweating. I don't know about you, but I am. Feet wide. Inhale, bend your knees, sweep your arms up. And exhale, let it out. Again. One more time. Look up, reach to one side and then to the other. And back to center. And lower your arms down. And great job. Thank you so much for being here today, and I'll see you on your mat soon.